Hello everybody, Dave the Computer Guy here today, and we have an interesting little unboxing I think today, and that will be of the Nintendo Classic Edition. Yes, this is the classic console that Nintendo released about a year or two ago now, and basically it's a little mini version of the original Nintendo, and it comes with 30 games built into it. So yeah, just have a look at it here. The front is really cool because this is almost identical to the original, like the front of the original box, which I don't have to show, but yeah. Minus, you know, it goes over some of the better games in here, like the Super Mario Brothers, Metroid, Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, Legend of Zelda, and Kirby's Adventure. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Nintendo Classics logo on the top, that's kind of cool. It talks about the controller here, it talks about the console there, and then here, this is really cool. You might be able to see here, but this is the box art on the back, and it goes over like all the games that are built into it, such as Balloon Fight, Bubble Bobble, Castlevania, Castlevania 2, Donkey Kong, Donkey Kong Jr., Double Dragon 2, Dr. Mario, Excite Bike, Final Fantasy, Galaga, Ghosts and Goblins, Gradius, Ice Climber, Kid Icarus, Kirby's Adventure, Mario Brothers, Mega Man 2, Metroid, Ninja Gaiden, Pac-Man, Punch-Out, Star Tropics, Super C, which is like the Contra trilogy, Super Mario Brothers 2, Super Mario Brothers 3, Techno Bowl, Legend of Zelda, and Zelda 2: The Adventures of Link. So yeah, a lot going on in here, but you guys don't care about the box, do you? You just want to see the insides. So let's open it up. We're pulling this out here, and we start with warranty and user agreement information. That's always important. Not really. Does anybody ever read those? Probably not. So yeah, I guess that's probably the console. So we're going to start over here with the more boring stuff. Here is a Nintendo power brick, Nintendo branded USB power brick. I'm living in Germany, so that will not work. So I will have to hunt out a European one. That's fine. Here, I'm guessing, is the controller. Let's just zoom out. Here's the controller. Wow. That's actually very much a regular Nintendo controller. It actually feels like the original one. That is really cool. And here's the cord, which everybody says this is really short, so I'm going to find out for myself. It sure does look short. Oh my gosh. Is that literally it? I mean, yeah, that's it. Wow, that's short. Let's just compare that for a minute to the original Nintendo controller. So here I have the original Nintendo controller. So we'll put that there. And oh my gosh, the original Nintendo controller is probably 3 times the size of that controller. That is insane. And the buttons all feel the same, so that's good. Yeah. Alright. We'll put that off to the side. Next, I guess we're gonna do the console because that's next. So here we go. Oh wow. This thing is like really tiny. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It is like literally the size of my hand. My gosh. Just hang on. We'll come back to the unboxing in a minute. Good lord, I want to look at this. That is tiny. Oh, the buttons work. Hey, that's cool. So the power button actually goes in and comes out. Reset button is clicky. Does not open up or anything. On the back we have micro USB in and HDMI out. So this is an HDMI console. I just want to compare this in size for a minute. To the original. Wow. The size difference is incredible. Actually, I think this thing is smaller than a cartridge. It's about the same size as a Nintendo cartridge. Okay then. Wow. Alrighty. Yeah, we are going to hook this up later, so stay tuned for that. Let's see what else is in the box here. We get an HDMI cable. Always nice to have, although I probably will not use that, but that'll stay in there. Alrighty. I think it's time to get this all cleaned up and hooked up. I actually found a poster underneath the warranty information in the bag there, so I hung that up. It's pretty cool looking. It's like an original Nintendo advertisement picture thing. It's got like the old zapper gun and remotes in the original console, and the Rob robot, which is always really cool. Looks like he's playing some Duck Hunt, even though I don't know how, because Duck Hunt's sitting over here. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I've prepped some cords to plug the little guy in. I've got micro USB here, which I actually found in the bottom of there. I didn't get to show, and HDMI. So yeah, set this here and just plug it in. I need to get an HDMI switch for my TV because there's only one working HDMI port on it. There's only one working HDMI port on my TV right now. So yeah, all those HDMI consoles over there kind of have to share one. So yeah. Okay, so we have the console plugged in. I need to plug the controller in. Alright, so I've got the console plugged in. I'm putting in a controller, which, hang on. Come here a minute, you. Sorry, a little one-handed camera work here. That's all the farther my cord goes. That's it. This could be interesting trying to use this thing. But yeah. Okay, so let's boot up the TV. Switch to HDMI. And power it on. Hey, we have a console. Well, this is pretty cool. There's a bunch of games on here. And apparently you guys can't hear anything because I have my headphones plugged into the TV. That's pretty cool. It's got like its own little background music. Let's get closer here so you can see the game. Got Balloon Fight, Bubble Bobble, Castlevania, Donkey Kong. Let's play some Pac-Man, because I can't get any copyright strikes for that, so Pac-Man. Oh, this reminds me of the original. I used to play Pac-Man on the original NES. Oh no. Go away. Go away. Yeah, Try me now. Take that. Oh, we're just gonna run away. Hey, I think we're good. Oh, crap. He did not turn like he was supposed to. Oh well, we still have some lives. Let's finish this. Oops. Up here. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. No, we're not doing another one. That's cool. We hit the reset button. Oh, it comes back. Hey, and we can save it. Oh, that's cool. So you can just like save it. Well, that could be really helpful with some games like Zelda and stuff. Star Tropics, Super C, Mario series, Zelda, Balloon Fight, Bubble Bobble. Oh, I remember Bubble Bobble. Now is the beginning of a fantastic story. Yes. We're going to join into the Cave of Monsters. Good luck. And you're supposed to get them stuck in bubbles. And then you can send them flying. And then collect stuff out of it. It's kind of difficult to get up sometimes. And then you get these parts, which is cool. And then yeah. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I remember these. So yeah, that's that. It's a really cool little thing. That is a lot. That's really cool. Cool. Alright. So we're just gonna shut that down. And the response time's not bad either. Like, I was expecting it to be a little laggy, but it's not. It really isn't. It's like straight on like it's supposed to be. So yeah. All in all, I think it's really cool. It's tiny, but I mean, you know, it doesn't have to be big. It does its job. Now the only thing is the controller length, which I might be able to resolve, because what I'm hoping to do with this thing is use it as like live stream material for, well, first of all, for the Computer Guy podcast. It was suggested to me that I do some like pre-recorded gameplay that's playing in the background while we're talking, which I may or may not do, so that could come from this. And also like Davey the Game Guy live streams, we could be playing that or something. I don't know. It could be interesting. So yeah, definitely cool to have. It definitely makes my life a lot easier, because before I had this adapter that's still sitting back here. It's like this little mini AV to HDMI box, which is cool and all, but it doesn't really work the way it's supposed to, and it was making some really interesting noises when I had it hooked up to the NES. So yeah, be a lot simpler to just play it off of this thing, which is cool. I've also heard that you can like mod it and add more games into it than what originally comes with it. So I might have to look into doing that if I want to add anything else to it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.